What is that,
She
Lily?
might need help getting it out.
Udi's gonna help you.
Oh my goodness. Uncle Cub, what you doing?
What is it? What is it? What is it? What is this?
It might be hard to get out of there.
You have to get out.
What is that?
Who's this for?
Oh, here, come on.
Is that what she's jumping around for? That's food.
Hey, what is it? Whoa. She knows exactly what to do with it. Go ahead, ride it. Bounce. Do you like it? I think she likes it.
You like it?
Did you tell Uncle Kurt thank you?
You're welcome.
She
She knew
liked
exactly
it.
what to do with it.
That's awesome. I like that. Lily, I like it.
Is that a donkey?
Do you like
Is
it?
that a donkey?
The Brody.
Whoa, donkey.
Whoa! Oh, can you make it bounce? Jump on it and it'll bounce. It's just right. Oh, good. That's just right. He's just the right size for that.
Grab on the ears. Hold on the ears.
Hold on to the ears. There you go.
Get around in front of her.
Hold on. You gotta move it.
I think she likes it.
So cute, Kurt. Get in front of her so you can turn her around.